Assalamu alaikum. Today, inshallah, we are going to study a new lesson in algebra. The lesson one in unit two, algebraic term and algebraic expression. Before, let's make a quick revision about what we have studying in unit one. First question: if 7 over x plus 5 is a rational number, then x not equals what? If the number is a rational number, then its denominator not equal 0. So x plus 5 not equal 0. So x not equals -5. The additive inverse, second question, the additive inverse of 7 over 25 times -5 power 2 is what? Let's solve this question. 7 over 25 times -5 power 2. -5 power 2 equals 25. So 7 over 25 times 25 equals 7. Simplify 25 with 25. So the result will be 7. So the additive inverse of 7 is -7. The remainder of subtracting 3 over 7 from 9 over 21 equals what? Remainder of subtracting. So 9 over 21 minus 3 over 7 will be equal to what? Unify the denominators. So 9 over 21 minus in the second fraction, multiplying the second fraction with 3 up and down. 3 times 3 equals 9. 7 times 3 equals 21. So 9 over 21 minus 9 over 21 will be equals 0. The algebraic term. First part in our question is algebraic term. And in this lesson, we will study the definition of the algebraic term and how to find the degree of the algebraic term and the algebraic expression that define the definition of the algebraic expression and how to find the degree of the algebraic expression. First part in our lesson is the algebraic term. What is the meaning of algebraic term? Algebraic term, it's the product of two factors or more. The product of two factors or more. If x stands for one apple, and then three apples will be what? X plus x plus x. And we can say that is equal 3x. So 3x is called algebraic term. The product of two factors or more, or the product of factor or numerical factor and algebraic factor. For number and variable, 3 is a number and x is a variable. 3x is called algebraic term, has two factors. 3 is called coefficient or numerical factor, and x is called algebraic factor. -4xy is an algebraic term, and it has three factors. The coefficient it's the numerical factor is -4 and has two algebraic factors, it x and y. So our algebraic term have three factors, numerical factor and two algebraic factors. 7x power 3 is an algebraic term also. Has how many factors? Four factors. We have 7 coefficient and x x, x, three algebraic factors, 3x, x and x, it's 3x power 3 mean x times x, as we know. So we have three algebraic factors. The degree of algebraic term. The degree, it's the sum of powers of the algebraic factors forming this term. Again, the degree of the algebraic term is the sum of powers of the algebraic factors forming this term. For example, 3a is an algebraic term with the first degree. Why? 3a algebraic term has two factors, coefficient and or a numerical factor, and the algebraic factor it's a. The algebraic factor here is a. The power of a is 1. A is with the first power. So the algebraic term will be first degree. Another example, negative x power 2 y is an algebraic term also. And we have how many factors? We have negative 1 coefficient and x power 2 and y. The degree of the algebraic term is the sum of powers of the algebraic factors only, not numerical factor. Not numerical factor except a numerical factor. The algebraic factors is x power 2 and y power 1. So their sum will be 3. Again, the degree of the algebraic term is the sum of powers of the algebraic factors. X with the second power, y with the first power. Their sum 2 plus 1 equals 3. Then the algebraic term with the third degree. Negative 4ab is an algebraic term. What is the degree of this term? The algebraic factors is a and b. We say except the numerical factor. So the sum of algebraic factors is a and b. A with power 1, b with power 1. Their sum is 2. So the algebraic term of the second degree. 7x power 3. Where is the numerical factors? 7. No, the algebraic factors what? X power 3. So the degree of the algebraic term will be third degree. 9. Where is the numerical factor? Is 9. Where is the algebraic factor? We don't have an algebraic factor. So the algebraic term of 0 degree with 0 degree because we don't have any algebraic factors. So the degree will be 0 degree. And it's called absolute term. Absolute term. The term that has no algebraic factor, the term that has no algebraic factor is called absolute term. Absolute term. Let's see an example. The degree of the term 2x power 2y is what? And its coefficient is what? Degree. Degree of the term will be what? The sum of powers of its algebraic factors. X with the second power, y with the first power. So 2 plus 1 equals 3. So the term will be with the third degree. And its coefficient, the numerical factor, what? 2. Next one, the coefficient of the algebraic term is negative 3 power 2. Is what coefficient? As coefficient, the numerical factor, negative 3 power 2 equals what? Equals 9. So the coefficient will be equals 9, and its degree, we know the degree is the sum of powers of the algebraic factors, but here we don't have any algebraic factors. So the degree will be 0 degree. If the degree of the algebraic term, 2x power 2, y power n is 3, then equals what? If the degree is 3, so the sum of powers of the algebraic factors will be 3. So 2 plus n equals 3. So n equals what? Equals 1. 2 plus 1 equals 3. The term negative AB, its coefficient is what? Negative A. Negative A means negative 1A, or negative 1 times A. So the coefficient here is negative 1. Its degree is what? Find the sum of powers of the algebraic factors. A power 1, B power 1, their sum is 2, so the degree of the term is second degree. And the number of its factors, what we have, how many factors? First, the numerical factor, then A with the first power, 1 factor, B with the first power, again, another 1 factor. So how many factors? 3 factors. Second part in our lesson is algebraic expression. The algebraic expression, it consists of an algebraic term or more connected by sign plus or minus. Again, the algebraic expression, it consists of an algebraic term or more and connected by sign plus or minus. 5a, we can say that 5a is an algebraic expression of one term. This is one term. So it's expression of one term, and it's called monomial expression. And x plus y, it's two terms. Term and term connected by plus. So it's an expression of two terms, and it's called binomial. It's called what? Binomial expression. Third one is x power 2 plus x minus 8. How many terms here? First term and second term and third term. 8 is an absolute term, remember. Absolute term. So we have 3 terms. Then there is an expression of 3 terms, and it's called trinomial. It's called trinomial. So the expression with the first, as the expression with one term is called nomial. Expression with 2 terms is called binomial. Expression with 3 terms is called trinomial. The degree of the algebraic expression. It's the highest degree of the term forming it. The highest degree of the terms forming it. For example, the expression 5a minus 2a power 2 plus 4. Let's see the degree of each term. First term, the numerical factor is 5, and the algebraic factor is 8. A with the first power, so the term with the first degree. Second term, a with power 2, the algebraic factor with the second power 2. So the term with the second degree. And the last term, absolute term with 0 degree. The greatest one or the highest one is what? Second degree. So all the expression with the second degree. Another example, 4x power 3 plus xy minus 1. Let's find the degree of each term. First, find the degree of each term. First term, the degree of first term is what? The degree of the first term. The first term is 4x power 3. The algebraic factor is x power 3. So the degree will be third degree. The second term, xy, x with power 1, y with power 1. So the degree of the term will be second degree. And negative 1 is absolute term, 0 degree. So the greatest one is what? Third degree. So the expression will be the expression of the third degree. Complete. X power 2y minus xy plus 3 is an algebraic expression of what degree? The greatest term here is x power 2, y power 1. So the first term with third degree, second term with the second degree, third term with 0 degree. So the greatest one is the first term with the third degree. So the expression, all the expression with the third degree. The number of terms of the algebraic expression 5a power 2 minus 7ap plus 2p power 2 minus 3. How many terms? 5a power 2 is a term, and 7ap another term, 2p 2 power 2 third term, 3 is fourth term. So the number of terms is 4. And its degree is what? The greatest term is second. So the degree will be with the second, the expression will be with the second degree of the algebra. If the algebraic expression 2x y power n z power 3 plus 6xy minus 5 is of sixth degree, then n equals 1. Sixth degree, so the greatest term with the sixth degree. Of course, not 0 degree. Of course, not 6xy with the second degree. So 2xy power n z power 3 with the sixth degree. So the sum of 1 plus n plus 3, the power of the algebraic factors, equals 6. 1 plus n plus 3 equals 6. So n will be 2. Another exercise, arrange the following expressions. 7 plus 2x minus 4x power 3 minus 3x power 2 according to the descending power of x. Descending means from the greatest to the smallest. The greatest one is what? Third power, 4x power 3. So the first one would be negative 4x power 3. Then second one with the second degree, negative 3x power 2. Then first degree, positive 2x. Then the last one, 0 degree, 7, positive 7. Another exercise. Arrange the following expressions: 3a power 2b minus 5ab power 3 plus 9b power 2 according to ascending power of a. Ascending from the smallest to the greatest power of a. The attention, a not b, a not b. Ascending of a. Where's a? A here with the second power. A here with the first power. But a here, zero power. A here with the zero power. We know that any any factor with the zero power equals 1. So a here in the last term is a power 0. So it's the smallest one. It's the smallest one. The smallest one will be 9p power 2. And second one will be negative 5a power 3. A here with the first power. And the last one, 3a power 2b. So now we can find the degree of the algebraic term and the degree of the algebraic expression, and we know what the meaning of algebraic term and what the meaning of algebraic expression. Tomorrow, inshallah, we will complete our unit, lesson 2 in unit 1, in unit 2. Thanks for your listening and see you tomorrow, inshallah.